The human brain is capable of extraordinary things. It is a marvel of nature, constantly adapting, learning, and evolving. Every day we are presented with opportunities to expand our horizons and push the boundaries of what we know and can do. But what if we told you that in just 48 hours, you could make a significant leap in your personal and professional development? In just 48 hours, we can acquire new skills and knowledge that can enrich our lives. Imagine picking up a musical instrument for the first time and being able to play a simple tune by the end of the weekend. Or diving into a new book and coming out with a fresh perspective that changes the way you see the world. The possibilities are endless, and the impact can be profound. This might seem like a short amount of time, but with the right approach, it's more than enough to make significant progress. The key lies in focused, deliberate practice. By dedicating ourselves fully to the task at hand, we can achieve remarkable results. It's not about the quantity of time, but the quality of our efforts. Every minute counts when we are truly engaged and committed. This rapid learning isn't just about acquiring new skills. It's about pushing our limits and realizing our potential. It's about challenging ourselves to go beyond what we thought was possible. Whether it's an athlete training for a competition, a climber scaling a mountain, or an individual tackling a difficult project, the journey of rapid skill acquisition is a testament to the power of human determination and resilience. The benefits of rapid skill acquisition extend beyond personal growth. They ripple outwards, influencing our professional lives and our communities. When we learn quickly and effectively, we become more adaptable and resourceful. We can contribute more meaningfully to our teams and organizations, and we can inspire others to pursue their own paths of growth and development. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to adapt and acquire new skills is more valuable than ever. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and the demands of the modern workplace are constantly shifting. By mastering the art of rapid learning, we equip ourselves with the tools to navigate these changes with confidence and agility. We become lifelong learners, always ready to embrace new challenges and opportunities. Whether it's for professional development, personal enrichment, or simply the joy of learning, mastering the art of rapid skill acquisition is an invaluable asset. It opens doors to new experiences and possibilities, and it empowers us to take control of our own growth and success. So the next time you have 48 hours to spare, consider dedicating that time to learning something new. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. The first step to mastering any skill in 48 hours is to deconstruct it. This means taking a complex skill and breaking it down into its most basic components. By doing this, you can focus on learning and mastering each part individually, which makes the entire process much more manageable. Every skill, no matter how complex, can be broken down into smaller, more manageable components. For example, if you want to learn to play the guitar, you don't start by trying to play a full song. Instead, you break it down into smaller tasks like learning chords, strumming patterns, and finger placements. Each of these smaller tasks is a building block that contributes to the overall skill. Identify the essential elements that form the foundation of the skill. This involves understanding what the core components are and how they fit together. By doing this, you can prioritize your learning and focus on the most important aspects first. This targeted approach ensures that you are not overwhelmed by the complexity of the skill and can make steady progress. Once you have a clear understanding of these building blocks, you can begin to focus your efforts on mastering each one individually. This means dedicating time and practice to each component until you feel confident in your ability. For instance, if you're learning guitar, you might spend a week just practicing chords before moving on to strumming patterns. This focused practice helps to reinforce your learning and build a strong foundation. This approach not only makes the learning process less daunting, but also allows you to track your progress more effectively. By breaking the skill down into smaller tasks, you can set specific goals and milestones for yourself. This makes it easier to see how far you've come and what you still need to work on. Tracking your progress in this way can be incredibly motivating and helps to keep you on track. As you see yourself mastering each component, your confidence and motivation will grow. Each small victory builds momentum and encourages you to keep going. Over time, these small wins add up, and before you know it, you've mastered the entire skill. This method of breaking down and focusing on individual components is a powerful way to learn any new skill quickly and effectively. Time is of the essence when you have only 48 hours. Therefore, it's crucial to prioritize the most important aspects of the skill you're learning. This means identifying the 20% of the information that will yield 80% of the results. Once you've identified the essentials, focus your energy on mastering them to a level of competency. This doesn't mean you need to become an expert in every single aspect, but you should aim to develop a solid foundation in the core principles. Deliberate practice is not about mindlessly repeating the same task over and over again. It's about focused, purposeful practice with the specific goal of improving your performance. This involves stepping outside of your comfort zone, identifying areas of weakness, and working systematically to improve them. Break down your practice sessions into manageable chunks, and focus on one specific aspect of the skill at a time. By concentrating your efforts on targeted areas, you'll see significant improvements in a shorter period. Section 5. Feedback. Your path to rapid improvement. Feedback is crucial for accelerated learning. Seek feedback from mentors, coaches, or peers who can provide valuable insights into your progress. Don't be afraid to ask for constructive criticism, as it will help you identify areas where you can improve. You can also use technology to your advantage, record yourself practicing the skill, and then analyze your performance. This will help you identify areas where you need to improve and track your progress over time. Section 6. Embracing the learning mindset. Mastering any skill in 48 hours requires more than just techniques. It requires a specific mindset. This mindset is not something you are born with, but something you can cultivate over time. It involves a willingness to step out of your comfort zone and embrace new challenges. Embrace a growth mindset, believing that your abilities are not fixed but can be developed through dedication and hard work. This means understanding that effort is a path to mastery and that intelligence and talent are just the starting points. View challenges as opportunities for growth and setbacks as valuable learning experiences. When you encounter obstacles, see them as a chance to improve and learn rather than as insurmountable barriers. Remember that learning is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. The path to mastery is filled with continuous learning and self-improvement. Be patient with yourself and focus on making consistent progress each day. Understand that growth takes time and that every small effort counts. Reflect on your progress regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem, as they are all steps in the right direction. Acknowledge your achievements and use them as motivation to keep moving forward. Each victory, no matter how minor, is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Share your journey with others. By discussing your experiences and the lessons you've learned, you not only reinforce your own understanding but also inspire those around you. Learning is a communal activity, and by sharing, you contribute to a culture of growth and continuous improvement. Finally, always set new goals for yourself. Once you achieve one milestone, look ahead to the next. This keeps you motivated and ensures that you are always moving forward. A learning mindset is about perpetual growth and the relentless pursuit of knowledge and self-betterment. Section 7. Real-world examples, 48-hour transformations. Countless individuals have achieved remarkable transformations in just 48 hours. Take, for instance, the story of Josh Kaufman, who successfully taught himself the basics of web development in a single weekend using online resources and focused practice. Similarly, many polyglots have used immersive language learning techniques to gain conversational fluency in a new language in a matter of days. These examples highlight the power of focused effort and the remarkable capacity of the human brain to learn and adapt quickly. Section 8. Your 48-hour challenge awaits. Now that you have the tools and strategies, it's time to embark on your own 48-hour learning journey. Choose a skill you've always wanted to learn and commit to dedicating 2 days to mastering the basics. Remember to break down the skill into smaller steps, focus on the essentials, and practice deliberately. Seek feedback along the way, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You might be surprised at what you can achieve in just 48 hours. Section 9. Conclusion. The journey of lifelong learning. Mastering any skill in 48 hours is not about achieving perfection, but about embracing the joy of learning and pushing your own boundaries. It's a testament to the remarkable adaptability of the human mind and the transformative power of focused effort. As you continue to embrace new challenges and expand your skill set, you'll find that the world becomes a more interesting and fulfilling place. So, go forth, embrace the challenge, and unlock your potential 148-hour skill at a time.